Hello, everyone. Very good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Please let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Once again, very warm welcome to all of you on the another product launch at SelectorsHub. Request if anyone can confirm if you guys can hear me well. Okay, waiting for the confirmation. I hope we are live now and audible to everyone. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Varun, for the confirmation. Great. So I guess we can start now. I'm audible and perfectly fine. Once again, welcome everyone. And this is great today to have you all once again at Selector Sub launch. Namaste, everyone. Okay. So this particular product is really going to help a lot everyone, all the testers, in fact, out there, in many cases, developer as well, when you will be doing the exploratory testing, or like you can say UI testing or any kind of testing, manual testing basically. So this is definitely going to help a lot, and trust me, like the moment you will see this live demo, immediately it is going to be part of your day-to-day testing, or maybe it is already there in your system. So I, okay, before this, like, do you guys remember like when we were not having something uh, like if you don't have something kind of tap to get the water, what we used to do, we were doing like we were filling, getting first filling the bucket from somewhere, maybe well or pond, and then pouring it to the place where we need it to wash our hand or something like that. But once the taps came, we are immediately getting the water, maybe hot or cold, at just like one click. It is, you just turn on the tap and you are immediately getting the water, isn't it? So this has made our life so easy. Similarly, like when we are doing the exploratory testing, you can say, or the like web testing, UI testing. So suppose you are on any web page here, let's say for an example this one, and now we wanted to test that this mobile number field, if it is accepting only numbers or it can accept the alphabets as well. So now I'm typing something here, alphabets, but it's not taking. But if I type numbers, it is taking. So so these kind of values, like suppose this field, like email field, we wanted to test, we want to fill some data here, and we wanted to make sure that it accept only email. So how do we test that? Or suppose the payment page field, we have also one quick update, we have added the payment details, payment page here on practice page. So if you wanted to test something, or you want to practice something related to credit card or payment page, that you can practice here. So suppose here on this payment page, you wanted to test the credit card field. So suppose you entered some value, but it is not the correct number, correct credit card credentials, then it's giving the error. So we wanted to test this payment page field, that whether the validations are there or not. So we need the data here to fill on each and every field. Today, yes, of course, we have this autotestdata.com from SelectorsHub. Using that, you can generate the data, right? You can just click. quickly select the values which all fields you want to generate, JSON or CSV or anything. You just click on generate, and the data is generated. You can download and then open CSV file, or you can copy and then do that, right? So suppose if you have the data in any Excel file like this, you can copy this value, go to your website where you are doing the testing. Like suppose you are doing for email field, you can paste this value. Okay, you can delete this value, and all those things you can do. But here we have to go to one place and then we are copy pasting that value. Suppose we wanted to test this mobile number. Now we need the mobile number data. We will go somewhere, we are copying that value. Now suppose this one is there, you can copy this value and you can enter that value here. So this way we are actually something, this is something similar like what we have just seen, that we are getting the data from somewhere and then filling it here on our uh, place or the UI wherever we are testing. You might have some seen some of the things which were there earlier, but to make this task easy and very handy, that you get the data right there on your fingertips, like this tap, you are getting the water on your fingertips. So similarly, why don't we have something which can give us the data right here while doing the testing on this? Like let's say I wanted to do this credit card testing and I want to enter the value of card number. So why don't we have something right here which can give me, which can let me fill this card number right here just in a single click. So now we have this tool introducing auto data filler, which will help us to fill the data right there in the UI while doing the exploratory testing, and you will not have to move, or you will not have to put anything extra effort. How this will work is very simple. You just right click and it will be there in your context menu. Like suppose you want to enter some value, or let's say you wanted to enter the payment detail, card details, something stripe, let's say valid, Visa, Mastercard, anything you wanted to enter, you just click and the value is entered here. You can see that 16 digit number. You want to enter name, you can just go right click names. You can select any language name or anything longer or small, whatever you want, that you can do. Simply just in right click, you have the data and you can enter here. Like suppose you want to enter something which is like valid email address or invalid email address, that you can directly test it from here. So this becomes now very easy for you guys to test this kind of to do the this kind of exploratory testing. You can just right click and any source of data you want, that you get it from here. Suppose you wanted to test this mobile number field, you just right click and you can make sure that it is accepting only the numbers value, so you can pick up from here. So this becomes very easy now for doing the exploratory testing. If you guys have any question or any suggestion, feel free to let me know in the chat section. I will be more than happy to take them, because many times we have to do some different language. Like let's say you wanted to do some spatial character testing, so in that case, like it could be in Chinese or Hindi language or any language, that kind of data also you get it here. So you see that I clicked on that Chinese, but because that those are the characters, so it's not accepting here. But if I will go here in company name and I want to check that whether this field is accepting or letting me enter this kind of characters or not, then we can test it here. Similarly, like in mobile number field, if I click on any names or some field which is like kind of the having the characters, it should not accept. When I'm clicking, it is not accepting. But if I will go and click on the numbers, then it will accept, because this is going to be the mobile number field. So similarly, like we can do any kind of testing here using this particular tool. You can quickly get the data on your fingertips. How can you get this auto data filler? You just go to on SelectorsHub website. Here you have this auto data filler. Click on this, it will open this page and you can add to Chrome. You can see that this is the data filler. Already like around 3000, actually it is showing this 2000 more, around 3000 testers are already using it. We have shared this particular tool with our SelectorsHub community, so lots of testers are already using it and it's highly recommended. It's absolutely free, safe and secure. You can just add it to your browser and you will see the logo here, and then you can just right click on any of the input field and immediately you will get the data. But if you will right click on any field which is not an input field, like suppose if I right click here, then I will not get the auto test data filler option here. It will appear only for if you will right click on an input field, like this is an input or text area, there you will get it, like where you can enter some field, some value. So there you will get this auto data filler option. If you will right click somewhere which is not an input field or where you can enter the data, there you won't get this option. Some of you might have used bug magnet. This is exactly or something very similar to bug magnet, because now bug magnet is not available, is not anymore supporting the Chrome browser or any of the browsers. So if you go here and you try to open this bug magnet, you will see that you cannot add this extension. So many of the community members have requested and asked that can we have something which can help us like bug magnet was helping. So we have created this auto data filler. I won't call this auto data filler, this new tool, as an innovative tool, because this is a very similar idea like bug magnet. We are very thankful and grateful to bug magnet and bug magnet team. Special thanks to them, because this idea of auto data filler is exactly same as bug magnet. So you can see that whatever options, whatever things you were having in bug magnet, we have introduced pretty much similar everything what was there in bug magnet. So this auto data filler will fulfill that gap which you have got due to deprecation of this particular tool. So now you have this auto data filler. So if any one of you were using bug magnet, now you can use the auto data filler, which will fulfill all your requirement what bug magnet were doing, as well as like lots of another great improvements. It will support all the latest browser and everything, and we will definitely keep adding more and more features, and it will be like more optimized and of course like much more better. And the feedbacks and everything will be welcome, and it will be like more updated tool and everything will be there. So yes, once again, like we are not calling it as an innovative or something like absolutely new idea. This is something very similar to what we were having. And once again is a special thanks and great thanks to the community who brought this idea to us, that why don't we have something, because they are facing a lot of challenge, because bug magnet is not there anymore, so why don't we have something similar. So here it is, guys. Those who have asked, I'm sure like you guys are there on the live chat and every there in the session. So yeah, now you guys can share. Earlier I have requested you guys don't make it public or don't share it with others, but now you can share it with everyone because we have officially launched this. So feel free to share it with everyone, this auto data filler, which will help everyone to to make their exploratory testing and day-to-day testing a lot more easier. So this is auto data filler, guys. If you have any question, any feedback, feel free to let me know. More than happy to answer your questions. It will really help a lot, guys, while you will be doing the testing, exploratory testing, or any sorts of testing of your UI, because everybody need this. Like if you are doing like any form testing, any payment page testing, definitely you need this. So this will really help a lot. And if you guys need like bulk data, or if you want to generate the data, then you can use, of course, use this autotestdata.com, from where you can use the your customized data, and you can download in an Excel sheet. So you have now basically both the things. This autotestdata.com, which is basically to generate a lot of fake test data, bulk data, and this auto data filler, which will help you to quickly fill the data in your form or in any payment page or anywhere you want to quickly fill the data just for your testing. Now I will take your questions, guys. Hello, Bharat. Thanks for joining. Very useful. Thank you, Sagar. Can we customize these inputs like add or delete from it? Right now, Ahmed, we don't have this option from the context menu. It is just to quickly fill the value as per your need. For only manual, or can we use it for automation also? This is for manual, Bharat, like for exploratory testing, manual testing. If you need it for automation, then of course you can use the autotestdata.com, this one, and generate the data, and then you can use that file. Like you can use this autotestdata.com, you can generate the like feature file or CSV or whatever you use in your framework, and that data you can utilize. So yeah. Thanks, Nayan, for your feedback. This new tool is amazing. We believe it will helps a lot. It's a great time saver. Just wanted to know if we can add more data to the context menu. Yes, definitely. Like we will add in more data in future, as in like required by the users and the feedback from you guys. Feel free to let me know. Let us know. You can write on support@selectorsHub.com, or here on SelectorsHub website. You can see that. Contact us, or in the live chat option, you can always let us know that what all fields you need, what all data you need, and we will be more than happy to add them in the context menu. So because this is the very first release, like I said, uh, initially what we have tried, like we have tried to like replicate pretty much what bug magnet was having, so that all the users and entire community, what they are facing the challenge because of like deprecation of that particular tool. So we tried first that nobody will face that challenge. So now we have everything, and we have optimized a lot of things there, and we will add more and more fields here and more input data. Thanks, Eva. This saves a lot of time. Thanks for joining, and thanks for your kind feedback coming from you. It means a lot. Anusa, amazing. Thank you, Anusa. Is this only applicable for text boxes type, right? Yes, of course. Like the fields where you need the where you need to enter the data. Sure, Bharat. Thank you. Great, Sanjay. We can use it for exploratory testing. Thank you, Surya. Looking forward to hear more feedback from you guys. Can we leverage for mobile applications? For mobile web, you can use, but not for the mobile app, like native apps, basically. Thank you, Siva. When will be the next meetup in Bangalore? Bharat, we will soon plan this one for the meetup. Yeah. Next meetup we have in Jaipur. So if you anyone from Jaipur has joined, then you can check out this one. You can register here. The absolutely free meetup happening in Jaipur on 6th of September. So if anyone is there in Jaipur or nearby, feel free to join. And you can always keep checking this particular page here. So and or you can follow us on the different social media platform. You will get to know about the upcoming meetups. Yep. Any other feedback, guys? Any other suggestion on auto data filler? This is the new tool. I hope you guys like the logo. We have put a lot of effort to design this particular logo. So if anyone, any feedback, I was really expecting that you guys will love this new logo. Great. Okay. So anyone, any question, any feedback? That's pretty much from my side. Lots of new things, a lot of enhancement we are doing in different tools, so that you will keep getting. Do we have any plan for mobile app testing tool? Yes, we are doing a lot of development that side as well. Soon, maybe like we will announce. Can we use this for field validation invalid? Yes, of course. Like not for the like validation purpose. Of course, that validation will be done from your app side, but you can enter the invalid data, like I showed here, that if you want to enter, let's say, user email, invalid email, so you can enter the email, invalid email. You see that here, like this one. So if you will have like your application will be having the invalid email verification, then if it will, you will get the error. So basically, in short, answer is yes for your question. Can we use this tool for invalid validation? Yes. Varun, thanks for the contribution to the QA community in terms of tools which are useful for testing. Thank you, Varun. Going to be really time saver. Any plan in Pune for meetup? Thanks, Pratik, for joining, and thanks for the feedback. We recently did in Pune in May itself, just 2 months back. but very soon we are planning again uh, another QA meetup in Pune, and this time mostly Hinjwadi side, because a lot of people from that side couldn't join because we were another part of the Pune. So yes, soon we will plan for this one. Maybe like in another 2 3 months, we will plan for the Pune meetup. Any update on the SelectorsHub anniversary meet? Yes, we have opened the registration for the SelectorsHub anniversary meet. If you guys, those who want to interested and here in Bangalore, yes, please do connect with us and we will meet definitely. Yes, it's very innovative logo. Thank you, Bharat. Finally. Okay. Any other feedback, guys? Any other questions? Great. So that's pretty much from my side. Hope you guys like this particular tool. I will request once again everyone, if you like the auto data filler, then please install it in your browser and give us a 5-star rating, and do share it with others so that it reaches to more and more people, and those who are facing the challenges while filling the data while doing the exploratory testing, also those who are feeling the lack of like bug magnet and missing that. So this particular tool auto data filler will help them a lot, and of course like they will be grateful. And also I'm offering free productivity workshop on all the selectors sub tool for everyone. If anybody wants me to come to your office and give a workshop for your team, testing team here in Bangalore or in any other city, feel free to connect with me. I will be more than happy to travel and help your team, and that workshop will be of course absolutely free. So yeah, any other questions, guys? Any other feedback? This is Auto Data Filler. You can find the download link here on SelectorsHub website, or just search for Auto Data Filler on in Chrome Store, and you will get it here. Simply, just you have to add it to your browser. Like, let me just show you. Click on Add to Chrome, add extension. This will get installed in your browser. Now you just restart your browser or go to any particular page where you will find the input fields you want to enter the data. Just right click, and here you have auto data filler option. You will get auto data filler option only on the input fields where you can enter the data. Okay, so if you want to enter fill anything, you can just select this and the value will get entered. But if you will try to right click on some field where there is that is not input field or any text area, there you won't get the auto data filler option. You will not get there. Sunny, can we expect any tool for mobile testing? Yes, soon you guys can expect one tool for the mobile app testing as well. But yeah, development is still there. Okay. With that, thank you so much everyone for joining in. That's pretty much from my side. If you guys will have any feedback, any suggestion, do let us know. You can write us on support@selectorsub.com, or you can anytime connect us on LinkedIn or any other platform on the live chat as well on SelectorsHub website. With that, thank you so much everyone once again. Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye bye.